Hi, hello friends. Now I'm going to show you Lenovo LOQ gaming laptop. This is the box of the unit. Lenovo LOQ 15.6 inches gaming laptop model. Here you can see the specification. Core i7 13th generation 13650HX processor, 2.6 GHz, 24 GB RAM, 512 GB SSD, RTX 4060 8 GB graphic card, 15.6 inches Full HD display. Comes with a 4-cell battery. So this is the box, comes with a seal. So let's open the model. Yeah, these are the things inside the box. User manual, power cable, so PC power cable, so very big adapter, power adapter, it's a USB type 230 watts power adapter. We can see 20 voltage, 11.5 ampere, 230 watts. It's a very big adapter. And let's see the laptop. This is the top look of the unit. Gray color. Comes with the logo here, LOQ. Here you can see the top Luna gray color. So very nice design on top. One hand we can lift this laptop. The hinges is very strong. One hand we can lift also. And have a look the keyboard. Comes with a full size keyboard with a number pad. You can see the RTX 4060 8 GB graphic card, NVIDIA, and Core i7 13th generation. Processor number is a 13650HX 2.6 GHz. It comes with a 24 GB, 2 into 12 GB, and 512 GB SSD, 2242 M.2 NVMe, power button, and comes with a backlight keyboard also, and multi touchpad. It's a very smooth touchpad. And the stickers you can see again, RTX graphic card and i7 13th generation processor, and Lenovo logo on side. This is a 15.6 inches full HD screen, IPS 300 nits, 144 Hz, and 1080p camera and 100% RGB. You can see the logo, LOQ logo, and this case material is polycarbonate acrylonitrile butadiene citral. And this is the side look of this unit. On other side you can see USB-C port 3.2 Gen 2 with the display port also, and camera on off shutter, headphone jack 3.5 mm and one USB 3.0. This is the ventilation system on back side, and 2 USB port, one HDMI 2.1, Ethernet RJ45, and power connector, and ventilation you can see. This is the backside look. It's a good laptop for the gaming and little designing, AutoCAD, Photoshop you can run on this model. This is the backside look. Ventilation system you can see, and comes with the 2 speaker, 2 watts into 2 speakers. And let's power on the unit. You can see this model is a quick starting. Windows is booting is very fast. Core i7 13th generation HX processor, 24 GB RAM, 512 GB SSD, RTX 4060 graphic card, 8 GB. Lenovo LOQ gaming laptop. Thank you for watching. Please like the video and subscribe to my channel. End the video. Thank you.